Okay, one of the worst, I guess, relationship experiences I had.
Thought he was the one for me.
I trusted him so much. I mean, I gave him my virginity. I gave him everything.
I really, really did love him. I thought he would be the one for me.
I found out he was cheating.
I found out he was cheating on me on Facebook.
And we became physically abusive. Verbally, mentally, physically. Anybody who hits you doesn't love you.
I ended up in the hospital coming off of drugs, you know, IV, everything.
My heart's still kind of broken over that, but I know I can make it through.
You should forgive, but not forget.
All right, y'all. Settle down. If you don't know where you are, this is Statistics 101. And I'm your teacher, Life Jennings. In the flesh, baby. Books out. Let's go. 25% of all men are unstable. 25% of all men can be faithful. 30% of them don't mean what they say. And 10% of them remain the 20s gay. That leaves you a 10% chance of ever finding your mate. That means you better pay attention to these words that I say. I'm gonna teach you how to expose the 90% and show you what to do to keep the other 10. Rule number 1, don't be a booty call. If he don't respect you, girl, he gon' forget you, girl. 2, if he's in a relationship, hear what you don't hurt, let me hear what you don't do. 3, tell him that you're celibate. And if he wants some of your goodies, he gon' have to work for it. Rule 4, be the person you wanna find. Don't be a nickel out here looking for a dime. 15% of all men got a complex. 15% of all men don't practice safe sex. 20% of them are from homes without a father. So there's a 50-50 chance that you'll marry a coward. Something to think about when you're taking a shower. Something to swallow when you're drinking